Most people use credit cards every single day, but most people never maximize cashback rewards. And in 2026, credit card companies are offering bigger cashback rewards than ever before. So in this video, I'll show you the best cashback credit cards in the USA, which cards are actually worth using, and how smart people use cashback systems to save serious money. Let's start with one of the most popular cards right now, Chase Freedom Unlimited. This card is perfect for beginners. You get cash back on almost every purchase, and the best part? There's no annual fee. That's one reason millions of Americans still use this card in 2026. Now let's move to another powerful cashback card, Citi Double Cash. This card is simple, clean, and extremely easy to use. You earn cash back when you buy, and again when you pay your bill. No complicated system, no confusing reward categories. Now let's talk about Discover It Cashback. This card became famous because of its rotating cashback rewards. One month you can get cashback on Amazon, another month on restaurants, and another month on gas stations. But here's the crazy part. At the end of your first year, Discover matches all the cash back you earned. That's why so many beginners love this card. Now here's a huge mistake most people make, applying for too many credit cards too quickly. Every application creates a hard inquiry, and too many hard inquiries can lower your credit score. So don't chase every single sign-up bonus. Smart users build cashback systems strategically. For example, one card for groceries, one card for gas, and another card for daily spending. That's how people maximize cashback rewards efficiently. But there's one thing even more important than cashback. Never carry high-interest debt, because paying huge interest charges destroys your cashback profits. Now let's quickly rank the best cashback cards for 2026. Best beginner card? Chase Freedom Unlimited. Best simple cashback setup? Citi Double Cash. Best rotating cashback rewards? Discover It Cashback. And best grocery cashback card? Amex Blue Cash Preferred. At the end of the day, cashback only works if you use credit cards responsibly. The smartest people don't use credit cards to look rich. They use them to save money. If you want more USA finance videos like this, subscribe right now. And comment your favorite cashback credit card below.